Hey guys, I am literally so excited because we finally have the Dayan FTO in front of me. I've been waiting for this for so long, and I've since seen so many people, unbox theirs and enjoy theirs and get really good times on it. So I'm really eager to join the fray. If you just look at my desk and you look at the absolute graveyard of the exploded Dayan FTOs, it's quite a huge problem of the popping. So yeah, I cannot put into words how excited I am for this. So I don't even want to wait a single second. I'll just go right into it. Look at that. That looks so nice. Very nice glossy box. Dayan FTO. I can't believe they made such a good one. But yeah, I already know all the things about this. It's gonna be really big. It's gonna be amazing. Like, I already know the drill. But if you haven't already ordered this or are using one right now, you should definitely get this if you're serious about FTO. But I'll let the performance speak for itself. So, wow, oh my gosh, very decent unboxing experience, right? There's extra springs that of course I'll never use. And I heard they actually are using a different method. Oh wait, no, that doesn't look right. Oh, it's like a layer by layer method. I think I remember them talking about this. Okay, in any case, yeah, why waste another second, right? Let's get it right into it. How do you open this? Oh, I see. Oh my goodness, yeah, so it is quite big. I do have two unexploded FTOs I wanted to compare it to. These are the ones I use in my office. This is actually my current main. I mean, not for long because of this, but this is the Force FTO that Canyon gave me actually, and it is so nice. It's like really fast, really smooth, but as you can see, the corner cutting isn't the best, right? Okay, obviously won't cut that, but like maybe like that. Let's see how this is. Whoa. Yeah, it's very stable. It's very stable. It doesn't have much auto alignment. This is Dayan's other platonic solid, and this is really good. This is my main Megaminx. You can see it has quite a lot of auto alignment, right? It's really smooth, really fast, but this feels quite different. I think that's what a lot of people were saying. And of course, there's no fear that's gonna pop. If you even try that on this, it's gonna pop, right? But here, I'm like doing the same thing I normally would, putting quite a bit of force, but it doesn't really come out. It doesn't want to come out, right? Like, that's how goated this is. Comparing the shades, obviously, these shades are gonna be quite different. So I have one more unexploded FTO. So this used to be my main, but I actually like the turning of this a lot better. But this, yeah, so how do we just look at the shades? Green. Actually, okay, I also want to compare the shades on this as well, because it looks like this green is neither like the one, it's neither like this one or that one that they use on the Megaminx. So it's like its own, shade. Red is pretty similar. Okay, these are pretty different, right? You can tell. This one's a bit pinker, I would say. And these are different. Oh wait, oh my god, the feeling of it is really interesting. It's like kind of like matte. I think that's what they said. The grays, whoa, this is almost like bluish. It's kind of like an osmium blue, if you know what I mean. Whereas this is a lot more brownish, right? Very interested in this actually. Orange, blue. Okay, yeah. So I think the shades are overall, obviously it's the same shades. Really glad that we've established a standard, because I don't want to be changed to caps. Corner twisting is actually not that easy to do. Not that easy. This one it's a lot easier, right? Here it's a lot more difficult actually. Bit sandy. Actually no, it doesn't have that characteristic sandiness that a lot of the other puzzles usually do. Yeah, I just want to go right into it. Sorry, I just couldn't contain myself. Actually, before I do that, I want to replace this logo because I do have some Canyon logos that I want to put on it. Okay, I'll probably be putting this. Okay, Halloween is my favorite holiday, so I want to put this Halloween Canyon Cube logo on it. Let's see. I love Halloween. I always like that there's like Halloween parties. It's you get candy. It's like so nice, right? Let me put this one. Sorry, Dayan. I mean, I love you for making this, but I gotta rep my sponsorship. You know, my sponsor. Yeah. So as you can see, the logo is just like a sticker that peels right off. Be putting it on there, I guess, and then I will be applying this new logo. Okay, perfect. Nice. It's a bit slanted, but should be fine. All right, let's see how this is. And my previous stack mat, I was able to get it working, fortunately. It took a few tries. Like I had to like replace the batteries and stuff. But yeah, let's do a timed solve. I haven't done a solve in literally so long, so I don't know how well it's gonna be. Oh shoot. Holy crap. Okay, not bad, not bad. First solve in literally days. Yeah, this is really solid, wow. Okay, I'll do another solve. You guys are just gonna watch me do a bunch of solves, but hopefully that's okay with you guys, because I want you guys to share my excitement for this, you know. Okay, interesting. That was not great. Oh my god, the performance is so much better because I don't have to worry about lockups. That's amazing. Actually, okay, yeah, let's see the corn cutting. Okay, that's like literally amazing. What the heck? Oh my god, I want to do like 1,000 solves on this right now. But I have duties today. I have to do okay, yeah. Oh, okay, interesting. I'm so used to the finger tricking for that out on the Dayan, but I mean, the size difference is crazy. But is this instant main? Absolutely yes. It is just that good. Oh my goodness, it's so good. Oh, frick. That's what happens with this. It just turns itself off like every 3 or 4 solves. Okay. I don't really get used to turning, but oh my god, it's amazing. Also, if you look at the turning, you see how something obscures the center as you turn, whereas I don't know if you really had that here. Oh, I guess it's hard to tell. Yeah, the flooring holes are just night and day. Look at that. Like the ones here and on the like on top of the screws, they're so different. I love this puzzle. Holy crap. Yeah, I can't believe it's finally here. I was waiting so long, you know? Interesting. So now you can actually see how the magnets look like. And it's still visible, but it's not like a, you know, displayed capsule like this one has, you know? So very interesting. Yeah, I can't really feel the ball coiness. Actually, I can. Like, you definitely feel more muted turning, but you feel that magnetic feeling throughout the entire turning of it, you know? But it feels very different from this one. I was expecting the Dayan to feel like this, but I guess not. But still very, very good. Like, insanely good. Like, literally knocks us out of the water, or whatever the phrase is, without even setting it up, just from the first turns. Wow. Okay, I'll do a huge average. I'll like post some solves later in this video to showcase just how good this is, and maybe like I'll have some like final comments on this puzzle. But in general, this is just fantastic. Like, oh my god, yeah. I'm very glad this came, and I can't wait to do thousands of solves on this. And yeah, see you guys soon. Okay guys, I've done about 927 solves on this so far, on both my main session, on my desktop, and on my phone. And oh my gosh, this puzzle is so good. Um, it has the corner cutting on this is a lot better than Dancing, and it's very apparent when you've done a lot of solves on the Dayan and you go back to the Dancing. The first thing you notice is just how tiny the Dancing is. It really feels like a mini puzzle, like it shouldn't even be that small. But yeah, like the Dayan's considerably larger, but I got used to it really quickly. Um, I like can turn literally so quickly on this. Like because the main reason is that because of the fact that it doesn't explode or even pop. Like there's basically no way for it to pop in the right with the right tensions. You're basically not afraid to turn as fast as you can anymore. Taking risks and like finger tricks and stuff like that. I've gotten so many good solves on this, like so many 13s, even a 12, which I believe is my best on cam. And although I haven't gotten a sub 10 single yet, that should be coming soon, hopefully. I think I just need to do more solves, get more used to the turning. Although at this point, I basically am completely used to it. But yeah, like I am taking this everywhere I go with me, and like I just love this puzzle so much. I do have a couple gripes with this puzzle actually, though. It's not like it's not perfect. There are some flaws, although they're very very minor and stuff that you wouldn't even notice with Yanqing. But the first one is that it basically has this. Okay, so if you break it in for a while, you have this like slight sandiness feeling that doesn't really go away, and so you want to quell that with some lube, right? Yes. So so what I've done with it so far, I followed Tyler Hicks' advice. I put some Angstrom Dignitas, and I put some of the DNM 37. And I think so. I really like what the Dignitas does to it. It makes it pretty smooth. It evens it out, and it keeps it at a controllable speed. But the DNM, after it dries up, it has like this not nice feeling. And in fact, the turning of it reminds me of if you guys know like the Yushin pedal cube or like the Yushin version of the Ready cube. It really feels like that. And although that puzzle isn't the best, it like the feeling of the plastic rubbing against each other. That's what it reminds me of. So basically, it does slow down quite a bit, even more than the Dianjing, I would say. And it's really hard to speed it back up. And even putting a few drops of lube and stuff it really spreads around and coats every contact surface. And so it might not leave the best feeling. And so I think, yeah, like lubing this puzzle is very tricky. I'm still experimenting to find the perfect balance of like which lubes to use. But yeah, that's definitely an ongoing effort. But honestly, besides that, I cannot think of a single flaw. It's very, very close to perfect. So I could like props to Dayan for like creating such an amazing puzzle, and I can't wait to do more solves on it.